Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome to February. It's February 2nd, a chilly morning, but me and Curtis got some work to do on our Illinois farm, so let's get some fresh air. Brand new. Curtis got himself a brand new saw. Wasn't that a gift from your pops?
Yep, old pops came through.
For your a new land ownership gift?
Yes.
Oh, can't beat that right there.
That was a good one.
Let's get it dirty. Man, it's a little cold this morning. What do we got? February 2nd. And Curtis is here. We're going to run down the driveway. Mother Nature gave me a warning shot that I got away with. There's a bunch of trees leaning. That are going to fall on a driveway that are dead. And one fell the other morning. Luckily, it was a dead enough one where Sharon was able to push it out of the way kind of manually. But that was my warning shot to get this cleaned up. So it's been on the to-do list for a while. So we should make quick work of it between Curtis and I and the machines. It's probably upper 20s or lower 30s right now, but it's supposed to hit 41 today. And I think our first customer's right up here. Alright, this was, I thought, our first customer. It's only partially dead, but there's buds on it already. February 2nd, and that thing's budding out already. So we'll move on. Alright, what about this next one here, Curtis? That one looks good, right?
Yep.
Okay.
That hickory.
It's next one will either be that one on the left or right at the corner. There's a pair of them. Alright, we got a bonus. The first one, actually the first two have buds on them. I don't know what this one is. Then there's another hickory behind it, and that one's still good. But I know where there's 4 or 5 or probably 6 of them that need to come down for sure. Be nice when it warms up, but at least it's good to have the heat on in here. Can't beat that. So yeah, that hickory's starting to bud too. Me and Sharon are actually looking for our next investment property, and we're actually debating on selling the half of the Kentucky farm, not the cabin, but the land portion, to invest in something that's really close here, like Curtis's, that we could use. So this one, I know these two are dead here. This pair here is dead. And then that third one is dead over there, but it's back off a little ways. But let's start with this pear right here. It's a hickory. You got glasses?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to start with this first one. They're both leaning pretty good, but his goal, he's going to try and notch them and cut them into the ditch, so we have less work to do in case they don't come, in case they come on the road. What happened was, when we built this road, the dozers hit some of the roots on these trees, and some of them made it a year or two, but now it's 5 years later and a couple of them bit the dust. Got a pretty good wind too coming the back way, so I better back up a little. The wind is coming right at us, right in my face. Not quite the way we want to drop them, but we'll see if his skill can overpower the wind or not. I used to burn firewood in Wisconsin. I kind of miss it, but I don't miss the cold. I mean, right now it is cold. Whew, yeah, the wind is actually coming this way, even worse. All right, I'm back up just a little more, just in case. Whew, that wind is coming. Oh, she's leaning. She's leaning. Oh, nice one. Keep going. Nice! He beat the wind. I showed him my wedge technique. There's a lot of different ones, but it worked. Alright, this one he's not even going to use a wedge because it's leaning pretty good. Just going to cut the backside of it. Oh, look at her. She's tipping already. Double prizes.
I even topped the other tree for
I know, nice. Oh, it's cold out there. I'm just going to shove one of these off of the ditch just a little bit more. We'll see how it goes, whether we come back for them or not. How's that heater in there?
Man, got the tunes going, got the heater on. Got my cup of coffee.
Kapper spoils you, man.
I know.
All right, we got two of them right here. The one that half fell and then the one right next to it. And looks like they're gonna come right across the road. Right after closer examination, we got another bonus. This first one, which is an oak, is alive. At least from what we could tell, it appears that there's little buds on it as well. So we'll just take that half of one and keep moving on. Yeah, so I made some tracks in the shoulder on that last tree, so from now on we're just gonna knock them over and cut them up, and I'll leave them lay for the excavator to pull them out because I don't want to wreck this shoulder any more than necessary. Boom. I've had somebody ask me recently about this 4-in-1 kit in the bucket, if it's a true third function. And basically what that means is when your loader's going up and down, you can open and close the jaw at the same time. I mean, I'll try to demonstrate it, but even with a true one, you're still going to have overlap. In other words, when one starts, the other one ain't necessarily going to work. I'm going to dump this without trying to get in the ditch. So I noticed something here new in my driveway. I got to really watch it with the power rake or any other tools. This rock is now exposed and it's quite big. That's definitely new from the compaction.
All right, Cap, you're up to bat here.
All right,
Get to try out the brand new saw that Pop's
Nice.
got. So
I'm gonna try and notch this one the way it doesn't want to go. It wants to come across the road, but I'm gonna try and get it on this side of the ditch, and it's a double tree, so I mean, worst case, it's gonna come across the road as long as I don't get underneath it.
if you make the notch on that side, you got that one limb. It's got it got some weight going out.
Yeah, I'll give that a try.
I'm watching. I heard it. There it goes. Well executed there, Cap. Nobody got hurt. Mission accomplished.
Not bad. I guess I could still notch a little bit.